Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make jalapeno and cheese stuffed chicken wrapped in bacon. Not only are these simple to make and delicious, they're low carb and great for somebody that's on a keto diet. So if you guys want to learn how to make these self-indulgent chicken breasts, stay tuned and watch till the end. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. That way you don't miss a new recipe every week. So here's everything we'll be using for this recipe. The measurements will be on the left hand side of your screen. We are going to be using 6 chicken breasts, 6 jalapeno peppers, 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is a half of a block, 4 ounces of cheddar cheese, Memphis style barbecue seasoning, and sweet chili sauce. All right, so let's start cooking. So the first thing you want to do is obviously wash and pat dry your chicken. And I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the Memphis style barbecue seasoning. And that's all the seasoning we're going to be adding for this recipe. Obviously, you want to make sure you use your tongs or your hands and just make sure that is well combined. Right, so now we're going to set that aside so we can get started on preparing these jalapenos. So we're basically going to be making jalapeno poppers. So I'm going to start off by cutting off the stem, and then after I cut off that stem, we are going to cut the jalapeno in half and remove the membrane and the seeds. Keep in mind, if you want your chicken a little bit on the spicy side, you want to keep majority of those seeds in. So now it's time to make our cheese mixture. You want to add 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature, that way it's easier to mix. Once everything is well combined, we are going to stuff these jalapenos, and this is super simple. We're just going to take the cheese mixture and stuff it inside half of the jalapeno, take the other half and close it together. And this is what it should look like when you're finished. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do this one more time. I have finished stuffing these jalapenos off camera, and this is what it is looking like, and now it's time to prepare our chicken. So what I'm going to do is take my knife and start at the thickest part of the chicken, and we are just going to cut that enough to make a pocket. You want to make sure you do not cut it so much that you end up cutting it in half. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do this one more time. Alright, so now it's time to finally put these chicken breasts together. So all I'm doing is I'm just taking the jalapeno popper, and we are going to take the chicken and close it up, and we are going to wrap the bacon around it. So not only is that bacon going to give that chicken a wonderful flavor, it's also going to make sure none of the stuffing leaks out when we cook it. I know guys, super simple, and that's exactly why I didn't add a lot of seasoning, because if I added the seasoning and we were going to wrap the bacon around, it would have been too salty. So now I'm just going to pop these in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes, and the last 3 to 5 minutes we're going to broil these just to let the bacon cook a little bit more. Or you could put this on the smoker or the grill, and it will take these stuffed chicken breasts to a whole nother level. So it has been 40 minutes, and at this point you want to put your chicken on broil just so the bacon can get crispier. Once the bacon is crispy to your liking, take these out the oven, let them cool off, and they're ready to serve. And that is how you make jalapeno and cheese stuffed chicken wrapped in bacon. So I'm going to plate this, and I'm going to cut the inside just so you guys can see. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. The chicken was very soft and juicy, and that jalapeno and cheese inside just kicked it up a whole nother level. You guys should definitely try this recipe. It's so worth it. Let me know in the comment section below what you would pair this with. If you guys like this recipe, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with all your family and friends. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I am so close to 2K, and once I get there, I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.